Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day, but we're just gonna get straight into this video and start off with the usual. But anyways, just going straight in, how to put my hair back, and then going in with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer and moisturizing my face. And then I was actually gonna go in with a pomade, but that was dried out, so instead I went in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I'm just going to be filling in my brows. Taking the Kokie Be Bright Concealer in medium beige, I'm just going to be carving out my brows. Now this concealer is a lot more on the natural side, so if anything, if you don't want as much as of a harsh edge on your brows, it's going to be a lot better to use that concealer than a full coverage concealer. And then taking a brush from any of the Anastasia palettes, just taking that brush and buffing out the edges so that way we don't have any harsh edges when we are applying our base. Alright, to add more hydration to my face, I'm just taking the Farsali Unicorn Essence and just applying that all over my face. And then I'm also going to be taking the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer and using that to fill in my pores and to smooth out my texture. Now that I have already applied my primer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in medium and just applying that all over my face. Now, I do not really like foundation, so I just usually go in with a concealer as my base and I will call it a day. And I don't apply any other concealer under my eyes because I am not about that full coverage life sometimes. But yeah, I'm just taking that sponge, Real Technique sponge, and blending out that concealer. And I like to go in with a second layer just in case I forgot any spots and just to add a little bit more of extra coverage onto my face, even though this is a light coverage concealer. And make sure you don't forget to prime those eyelids, because we are going to be going in with eyeshadow today. Even though we're not going in with that much eyeshadow, you still want to add a base to it. That way it doesn't slip and slide. Okay, just taking that Coty Airspun powder and setting my under eye, my nose, around my mouth area, and my forehead. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 310 Sun Beige and just setting the rest of my face with it. That way it could bring back the color to my face, because we are definitely going to need that. And then just taking the Mario Badescu facial spray and spraying that all over my face, and taking a sponge and dabbing in that product, taking that Patrick Star and MAC bronzing powder in Give Me Life to bronze my face. And then after I'm done contouring my face, I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer, which is the original bronzer by Benefit, and taking that to bronze my face. Okay, taking that Tarte blush in Quirky and applying that to my cheeks. Now, Tarte has hands down the best blushes I have ever tried. And actually, Wet n Wild has some pretty good ones too, but for high end, probably one of the best blushes I have ever tried. And also going back in with that Mario Badescu spray, spraying my face one last time. That way we could soak up all that extra product. And then going in with the Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter and just highlighting my face. And I like to take that on my temples, above where my arch is for my brow, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and obviously my cheeks. And I like to go back in with my blush brush. That way I could kind of blend in that highlighter and blush. And going back in with that Coty Airspun powder and taking that under my contour and cleaning up the mess. Going in with that Patrick Star and MAC eyeshadow palette in Heat Stroke, I'm just going to be taking the shades Sandy Crotch and Mabuhay. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to be taking Sandy Crotch and just applying that as my transition color, and then taking Mabuhay and putting just a tad bit. I don't want to have too much of a dramatic look today, so I just want a little like subtle look, nothing too much, because I'm just going to a restaurant for my birthday, so I don't need that much. But I'm taking both of those shades and doing the same thing on my lower lash line also. Going in with that Morphe highlighter in Lit, I am taking that onto my brow bone, and later on I will actually be putting that on my inner corner. I was, undecisive, didn't know what to do, me. And then going in with the Better Than Sex mascara and applying that to my eyelashes in best mascara I've tried. Actually, no, that's a lie. And what I like to do is I like to go back in and retouch my brows, because a lot of that powder or like highlighters, just anything, will fall into your eyebrows, and I hate when that happens. So I just obviously go back in and retouch up the brows and make them look a lot better than they did before. And my favorite brow gel is by e.l.f. It's the brow gel and mascara, clear mascara. But I like to use both for my brows. It's equally as good. Need Broadway lashes in Flutter. I'm going to be applying that to my lashes, obviously. And these are the wispy lashes, by the way. But those lashes are amazing for a cheap price. They cost like $5 for like a pack of 3, which is amazing, to be honest. They are very great quality for an affordable price. So as you can see, I'm applying that, and oh my god, oh my god, this eyelash glue keeps bugging me as I keep watching this. Now just applying that inner corner highlight, of course. And going back in with obviously mascara to kind of touch up my eyelashes. Oh, and to blend in the falsies and my eyelashes. I go in with a lot of mascara. If you know me, you know I love mascara. Mascara is one of my favorite things. I just love mascara. Anyways, yeah. Okay, so in the next clip, I don't know what happened to them, but oh well. I'm just, I guess it's a get ready with me. No, not really. But I'm just gonna be straightening my hair on camera because it's my birthday. Why not show you what I do for my birthday? And as you can tell, I'm gonna go by section, but when my mom says she's going to Backville, I'm able to get my Dutch, and who's gonna pass up some Dutch, especially birthday Dutch. So you'll see in a while I start going really fast, but I kind of knew she was gonna make me hurry if I wanted to get my birthday Dutch. And then I don't know what happened to the rest of the clips. Oh my god, I feel like this is so messy. And I'm sorry for not doing a like regular intro or outro. I was rushing most of that time, so don't worry, my next videos will be hopefully a lot better. I hope. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a like if you liked it, and please subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.